We're piecing the horizontal curve. Whenever you piece, you want the concave piece on top as you piece it together. And the first thing you need to do is find the midpoints. So I take the top piece, fold right sides together, match the ends, make sure the curve aligns, and finger press. The bottom piece I do the opposite. Wrong sides together, follow the curve, mark the center. And then that way the notches just lie on top of each other. And just take a tiny little pin in there. Now when you match the ends up, we gave you this piece of vinyl to help with this. Take your bottom curve and line it up with the edge of your 1/4 inch vinyl, and then put the top piece on top, and where they need to meet, where you're going to stitch at 1/4 inch. So just move this over, have a 1/4 inch foot on here, and sew with the needle down, and you're only going to worry about the next 1/2 inch to inch going under the needle. And you're just going to manipulate the top fabric as you go. Stop before you hit the middle, take the pin out, and then match on the bottom side, again lining it up with your vinyl. A little pin, and again we're just going to move the top fabric and only worry about what's going under the foot. And then when you press it open, you'll have a straight line. So that's the horizontal curve.